all about direct speech. Direct speech is an essential part of English grammar and communication. It allows us to repeat someone's exact words. Understanding how to use it properly helps with speaking, writing, and reading comprehension. What is direct speech? Direct speech is when we write or say exactly what someone else says, using quotation marks around their words. Example: Sarah said, "I am hungry." He asked, "Do you like music?" In both examples, the exact words spoken are in quotation marks. Structure of direct speech. Basic structure: subject plus reporting verb plus comma plus spoken words. Examples: and John said, "I play football." Maria replied, "I'm tired." A shouted, "We are ready." Common reporting verbs in direct speech: said, asked, replied, shouted, whispered, exclaimed, answered, told. These verbs help show how something is said. Examples: she whispered, "Be quiet." He shouted, "Watch out!" Punctuation rules in direct speech. Understanding punctuation is key in writing direct speech correctly. 1. Use quotation marks. Place them around the exact words spoken. "It's raining," she said. 2. Use a comma before the quotation. When the reporting clause comes first, use a comma before the quotation marks. Annie said, "I love dogs." 3. Capitalize the first word inside quotation marks, even if it's in the middle of a sentence. TC said, "Let's go now." 4. End punctuation inside quotation marks. Use the correct punctuation inside the quotation. "Do you like pizza?" he asked. "That's amazing," she exclaimed. "I need help," she said. Different positions of direct speech. Direct speech can appear in 3 forms. 1. At the end of the sentence. He said, "I am tired." 2. At the beginning of the sentence. "I am tired," he said. 3. Split in the middle. "I am," he said, "very tired." Using direct speech in dialogue. Direct speech is commonly used in storytelling, drama, and everyday conversation. Example: Jane said, "I'm going to the shop." And Mark asked, "Can I come with you?" And Jane replied, "Sure, let's go." It makes conversations and stories feel real and lively. Common mistakes in direct speech. Mistake. Correction: he said hello. He said hello. She said, "I am here." She said, "I am here." "Where are you?" he asked. "Where are you?" he asked. Practice exercises. Rewrite these sentences using correct direct speech. 1. He said, "I like tea." 2. They shouted, "We won." 3. "I'm busy," she said. Answers. 1. He said, "I like tea." 2. They shouted, "We won." 3. "I'm busy," she said. Why learn direct speech and improve speaking and writing skills? N helps with reading and understanding dialogue, and makes stories and conversations more realistic.